the Billet catch can finally showed up. So after several months of waiting, I finally got this thing. Looks great. I love the red billet color, or the anodized finish on it. Not sure I'm a fan of the brass fittings, but I did get the hose end covers, so I think they'll look great on these braided hoses. But yeah, it was a big delay. I know they had some production issues with the Hurricane, but it's here. Looks good. So looks like they actually spent some time with the parts, and that, pretty good hoses. Everything else looks like it's good quality. So let's get it on. Well, there you go, guys. Finished product. The unicorn catch can looks great. We'll have to see if it's worth the wait, but it's on there. I will say these little hand fittings, I have to do something. That's loose. The hose is tight, but the hand fitting's loose. It's only on the ends that are right on the catch can for whatever reason. Everything else is nice and tight. So maybe a little electrical tape or something to build the hose up and slip them back over that. Should take care of it. Other than that, it matches the engine bay color pretty good. So not a performance mod, more of an appearance mod. But hopefully it'll keep some of that oil out of the intake. So, I don't know, I like it. Stay tuned, got some more stuff coming for you. Thanks.